Today's support, what do you think of it?
It was unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, man, everyone enjoyed it. The drums, the vibe, the energy, support, it was positive. And that's what we
I
need,
know
man.
we in the stands enjoyed it, but how about you, the
No,
players?
it was nice, man. It gave everyone a lift. And that's what we need from the people, man. We need to stick together and be positive. That's the main thing.
Alright. So you're definitely asking us to go ahead and believe in the project that you guys are.
Of course, there's gonna be times where we're gonna have ups and downs. There's gonna be times where we might not play the best. We might lose a game, but it's still a process.
You know, I prefer an ugly win than a pretty loss.
Yeah, of course, and that's what maybe happened today. I think obviously it's the start of our journey at the moment, and we started with 3 points and a clean sheet. Maybe it should have been 2 or 3-0, but it don't matter, we go again.
All right, and without a doubt. 9 games to go. That's how I look at it. 9 games to go. 30 points I see easily we can go ahead and achieve here. So I believe in you guys. I've seen you guys play. I know that it's 3 weeks since you guys have gotten together to play some football. So I have that belief. I'm hoping within the camp that you guys are sharing the same belief as well, that we will definitely make it to the World Cup.
See, we're going to give our 100% and give our best. That's all we can ask for. There's going to be times, like I said before, where we're going to have bad results. We're going to have bad performances. But it's like, you've got to trust the process, trust the journey, and keep giving 100%.
Respect, and I appreciate that. Anything you want to say to the Jamaican support?
Just keep coming out and supporting us, man. We appreciate it.